This morning, I will teach you how to log in or sign in our code.org. So you just follow the link and use your card. There are two cards, by the way. There are cards that the login cards with only secret word for their password. That is from grade 3, 4, and 5. And the other card is a picture password. So that is from K3, grade 1, and grade 2. So these different cards, this one, the login card is using the password or the secret word, and the other one is using the picture card. So this time, I will teach you how to log in our code.org. This morning, I will teach you how to log in, sign in to our code.org. So step number 1, you need to click the Google Chrome as our internet provider. Click. After that, here at the search button, here you need to type code.org. Okay, and then enter. So this is the format, the template of code.org. So this code.org is for us to learn computer science. So in our class, usually the teacher will provide the login card. So for grade 3 to 5, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, they will use the secret words as their password, while the K3 to grade 2, from K3, grade 1, grade 2, they will use the secret picture as their password. So keep that in your mind that your teacher is providing you your login card. So we will make use of that card how to log in. So first, I will teach you how to log in for those who are grade 3 to grade 5. So first, you need to click sign in. So sign in is in the right side. If you are facing your screen, right side, click sign in. When you click sign in, on this part, if you have already your card, no need to write on this part. Okay? Because your teacher already provided your account in code.org, especially in your class. So all you need to do is you look at your card, and you can see at the top there are the upper right corner, there are 6 capital letters. That is your code. Okay? So all you need to do is to write the code. For example, our code is T J Q W R H. So this is our code. Can be capital letter or can be small letter. So after you write the code, what you are going to do next is to click go. So when you click go, it will go now to your respective classes. So this class is in class grade 3D. Okay? So here, I am using David's name. So this is Debbie. So when I click, then it will ask about your secret words. So before you can sign in, you need to write your secret code. So all you need to do is to write, and then after that, you need to write the secret code. So my secret code is lefted bright. So this is my secret code. So after you done writing your code, you click sign in. When you click sign in, it will ask about your age. In the first time you log in, will ask about your age. But the second time, no more. So you just click. Example, I am 8 years old. And then click continue. When you click continue, you can see now your lesson. On this side, this is your lesson from 1 to 18. So this is 18 weeks. So from 1 to 18. So we will start with lesson number 1. So all you need to do is to click. Okay? If you're done lesson number 2, all of these things, okay? So you will go to lesson number 3. Usually the unplug activity is a video tutorial about the lesson. So how can you know your score after you finish your work? Down here, okay, you can see different colors, right? Here, if you see this one, an empty color like this, meaning to say you did not start it yet. If this is a green color but it's empty inside, meaning you're in progress, you are working but not yet finished. But in this side, you can have the pale green inside, a light green, meaning to say you complete the work but you use many blocks than required. On the other hand, if you have completed your work and you use perfectly the blocks, it will be have the green color. So this is now 2 points. This is 1 point. So minus points if you use more blocks than required. Okay? So that is how to log in using our secret code. Now, second time, how can you log in using your picture code? So the picture password, I will show you for a while how to log in our picture password. So this time, I will teach you how to log in using our secret picture or our picture password. So the same process. So when you click, this is for K3 to grade 1 and grade 2. So we are using picture so that the kids can easily click and log into our, sign in to our code.org. So to start with, you click the Google Chrome as our internet provider. Click. Be sure that you have your internet connection so that you can go in the code.org. So all you need to do is to write again code.org. Some of the computer, they have their bookmarking so that they can see in the shortcut button like this, the code.org. So you need to just add here for the shortcut. So if you have your shortcut, no need to write. But if don't have, you just write. You ask your mom, your dad to write, or your sister, code.org, and then click, press enter in your keyboard. So this is now our code.org template. So sign in. Remember, we are now in the picture code. So here, no need to write. Look for your card. The 6 letters, capital letters, on the right, upper right of your paper. You click here. So for example, okay, I am using the grade 1D. So the password or the code is PHZMKN. Okay, so each class have different class code. So this is the class code for 1D. So click go. This moment, I will look for my name. So my name is here, Debbie. Click. So if you see your name, you just click. When you click, this time, instead of asking your password, your secret word, it will ask your picture. And you can see in your card what picture, what is the picture in your card. So you just click the picture. For example, in my case, my password is the bird. So I will click. After I click, I will click sign in. So first, click the name, click the password, your picture password, and then click sign in. For the first time, it will ask your age again. So for example, I am 6 years old. Click, and then click continue. But for the second login, no need to write your age. It's automatic sign in. All you need to do is to write your code and then your password. So we will start by clicking lesson number 1, unplug activity, and then move on to lesson 2, unplug activity, then lesson 3, that is sequencing with Angry Birds. So this is your activity and you just follow. So this is how to navigate, how to log in, how to sign in our code.org. So the last thing is, after you do your work and you need to go out in code.org or sign out, what you are going to do is simply click your name, and down here you can see sign out. Just click and you can sign out now, and it go back to the main menu of our code.org. Okay? So that is how to log in our code.org. So if you ask me, teacher, can you see our work? Yes. So when I sign in with my account in our class, when I sign in like this, so all of the class is here and I can see all of your work. So for example, I will open, maybe I will open what class? I will open the 3C, grade 3C, I will open. So this is class 3C. So all the names is here now, and I can see all your work. Okay, if you can see it. If you fail to finish work, it's empty, but if you're done, it's green. So I can see all your work. Okay, so that is how I check your work in the code.org. So hope you learned something this morning. So if you have any comments, you have any suggestion, you can comment down, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, Division 101. Have a nice day. Thank you.